Hi boys and girls, how are you? Just know that I miss you guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm out here taking a little nature walk, enjoying this gorgeous weather. We finally got some sun shining through. I've run into a lot of my friends here at the park. There are the beautiful monarchs that are flying around, and saw a couple of swallowtails as well, family of deer that were also crossing, and so just made me think of you guys. Hope you guys are doing well again, and know that I miss you and send you lots of love.